how to change the Assistive Touch idle opacity on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then swipe up to go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on Assistive Touch. Then in here, we swipe up to go down and tap on Idle Opacity. On the slider bar here, you can drag it all the way to the right to make it very visible, or if you want to make it very high transparent, you can drag it all the way down to the left hand side, and that will reduce it down to 15%. So you can see that the button is very faint. You can hardly see it, but if you know where it is, you can tap it on the screen, and once you tap on it, it will become visible, and after a while it will fade back into the background. And that is how you can change the Assistive Touch idle opacity on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.